Have you been looking for a compact sedan with styling that won't break the bank? Then take a look at this 2019 Fiat 500 Lounge in laser blue. With bifunction halogen projector headlamps, front fog lamps, 16-inch aluminum wheels, chrome power heated mirrors, sport spoiler, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 56 miles on the odometer, a 5-inch touchscreen display, navigation, a rear backup camera, electronic vehicle information center, Beats premium audio system, a rear 50-50 split fold-down seat, a power sunroof, a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5525.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.